Right here, we got the Yellow Jacket extension cable. I like this one because it's got the power light plug. Plug it. There we go. See that end right there? It lights up so you know that it has power. Very cool. And when you unplug it, obviously, the light will turn off so you know there's no power in there. Very cool, right? If you look carefully on the wire, you'll see right here, it does say 15 amp, 125 volt, 1,875 watts, because I want to use it for a lot of outdoor appliances. And this does say this is suitable for use with outdoor appliances. And there you have it, guys. 25 feet Yellow Jacket with a plug light right here. Super solid. This one is 15 amp rated. This is a 14 gauge wire, 25 feet right here. Super durable, nice Yellow Jacket quality extension cable right here. You can't go wrong with Yellow Jacket. This is good stuff right here. Oh yeah.